Hi everyone! So, magandang araw sa lahat. So, this will be my first vlog for this week. Although I have my vlog, pero mga 1 minute lang yun last time. Hindi ko na na-upload. So, ilang days ako walang upload din. So, yung parang talk ko last time sa vlog ko, it's all about yung vlog ni Doc Willie Ong. If you happen to see his vlog, so makikita mo talaga yung depression siya because of what had happened yung sa national election na tumakbo siya, pero hindi na siya, yung natalo siya. Kawawa naman kasi if you will be really watching his vlog, yung authenticity ng gusto niya talagang bigay ng serbisyo sa mga tao, yung genuinely authentic, kasi alam niya mahirap at saka madaming naghihirap ngayon, lalo na yung mga sa hospital, yung mga hindi ma-afford yung mga medical management and treatment. Yun yung kinaawa niya because alam natin na madaming pera, madaming budget, but when it comes to the helping people, alam naman natin na may mga tapyas-tapyas na hanggang sa dumating sa services. Yun yung kinawan kasi alam niya kung ano nangyayari, no? So, what we have learned or the reasons na nagkaroon siya ng sarcoma daw, na-mention niya sa vlog is one of the causes or stress, emotional stress, mga negative emotions yung na-harvest niya because of what had happened. It remind us na dapat hindi tayo magpa-stress, dapat meron tayong work-life balance. Although, yeah, we can sometimes encounter very stressful things, but we have to unwind. Dapat hindi natin hayaang kainin tayo ng stress para maging healthy lang. Ang imagine na si Dr. Willie Ong is having a healthy lifestyle always. Alam niya kung anong mga pinakain niya na dapat healthy, and yung meron siya mga daily activities na it can contribute to his good health. Pero anong nangyari sa kanya? Nagkaroon siya ng sarcoma and napansin nila stage 4 na because of that. So we have really to take good care of our health. Balance dapat yung emotions, yung setting of mind natin, dapat hindi tayo magpapakain sa stress. Yun yung dapat learnings natin. Yung for me naman, nakikita kami ng friend ko na bagong promote from casual to regular. Nagpalibre ako ng favorite lasagna sa Big B's, favorite. And then may binili siya sa mini soup na tumbler for her daughter. And I'm having my Dunkin'. This is iced chocolate kasi wala silang iced coffee. So yun sanang gusto ko na bilhin and kainin and inumin while I'm waiting for my niece here, but wala na silang available. Ang iced choco na lang daw ang available dito. So, but here, ito na. I hope you're doing well. Yung sa mga nanonood ng vlog ko, maraming salamat. 3,444 na tayo dito. Maraming salamat sa support sa vlog ko. I know, nag-promise ako na it will be everyday upload, but sometimes pagod sa work and walang ma-upload dahil sa kabisihan. So, pag may time naman, nag-upload talaga ako. Just nito, so it will be premiere later. Dito naman ako sa favorite spot ko sa Jollibee. Sa Dunkin', while having my chocolate. Well, this is not my favorite drink, but pwede naman siya. So, iced coffee is my favorite. Yung alam niyo, mas gusto ko yung coffee, yung iced coffee dito kasi hindi ako nag-hyper-acidity, but sa Starbucks, even though matamis na siya, but siguro sa components ng coffee, nag-hyper-acidity talaga ako. Kamusta naman yung mga experience natin sa Baguio? Di ba may 2 Baguio? Buti na lang, ngayon okay na siya. Hindi na masyadong maulan, mahangin, but maulan pa rin dito sa Zamboanga City, maulan pa rin. But unlike nung last week na grabe talaga ang ulan, ang lakas, ang daming bus ng ulan, and then ang lakas ng hangin. halos baha yung mga lower areas dito. But now, it's okay na rin. Hindi na siya maulan, umiinit na siya, pero umuulan pa rin. Kahit wala ng bagyo, nasa labas na ng PAR. PAR is Philippine Area of Responsibility. Charot. You know, I love, alam naman na gusto ko mag-vlog. I'm just talking. Just like practicing my public speaking skills. Hindi ko alam kung mga nanonood sa akin, nagtataka ko bakit ako nag-speak in front of something here kasi maliit kasi talaga ang DJI. And may nakikita ko mga vlogger na DJI ang gamit, but they have the DJI mic, mas clearer yung voice nila, and then kahit nasa labas sila nag-vlog, mas clear ang voice nila kasi may mic. Hindi masyado naririnig kung ano yung environment nila na kung saan sila. Hopefully, maka-travel vlog somehow. That's my wish. And I know mangyayari yon. Maka-travel vlog. Sabay pasyal. Yun lang. And then, kwento-kwento about life. Kwento-kwento about how to be happy. How to be grateful. Alam nyo guys, yung the power of gratitude. Na kung you're always thankful, kahit wala pa ang isang bagay, ibibigay yan talaga sa'yo. Kung you're always grateful of everything, kung saan ka man ngayon. And then, kung gusto mong mag-manifest ang isang bagay, you have to manifest na andyan na siya, na nangyayari na siya, para ibibigay talaga siya. Para ibibigay talaga siya. I hope hindi rin copyright. Hindi ma-copyright yung vlog ko na to kasi may background music sa SM. My God! Pinagtitinginan ako ng tao kung why I am talking in front of something. Hindi nila nakikita yung DJI, but siguro napansin nila na yung talking. Si Roy kausap yung video ko. But anyways, I love DJI na video. Yung packet, actually ang gamit ko is DJI Osmo Pocket 1. So wala pa siyang capability of having zoom, but very crisp yung yung video, as well as yung audio pa din na rin. So I really love that one. Alam mo, ganon, parang lang, ba yan? Just a hobby of having vlog, of talking vlog, or anong nangyari sa day ko for today. Nga pala, since kanina dumating ako sa office mga around 7:23, so I really started my work early. Nag-break ako ng mga 10 just to drink water, and then nag-lunch by 12. Then after lang lunch, work ulit para matapos ng around 2 kasi I have to check pa man yung mga i-check ko dapat before ko i-indoors. Yun, and then siguro natapos ako mag-check ng mga papers is around 3:45 p.m. So yun na nga yung the takeaways for today is you have to love your work, give your best always, kahit wala ka sa mood, kahit may problema ka, but you have to set aside those things pag nasa work ka. You have to really do your best and give everything sa work mo. Para at least mananotice din ng mga tao around you that you're working very well. Right? So, if you love your work, it really matters if pinapakita mo yung love mo sa work. Diba? So, kahit konting details, it really matters. Yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi I know, you're working for money, but also you have to love your work kasi if you love your work, everything will follow, diba? Kahit ano pa mangyari, your performance will really excel. Love mo ang work mo, love mo ang ginagawa mo. Although, yeah, it's stressful, but you have to balance it. You have to look for ways para hindi ka ma-stress. So, I think yan lang for today's vlog. Kasi I think mga 10 minutes na. 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope magko-comment kayo. Kung ano comment nyo sa vlog ko, I love to read your comment. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog. Bye!